Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to send a message with brackets in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started to begin. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Launch the application and log in with your credentials. Next, go to the chat where you want to send the message with brackets. Find the chat you wish to send the message to. Once you're in the chat, type in the message you want to send. Enter the text into the chat box. If you want to select a specific part of the message, you can do so. Select the text you want to modify and move the cursor above the selected text. A menu will appear above the selected text. From the menu, choose the two brackets icon. This will add brackets around the selected text. Sending messages with brackets in WhatsApp on your PC can help emphasize certain words or phrases. That's all for today's video on how to send a message with brackets in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.